Yo, welcome back. This is the second episode of Apex Traders, and we're here to provide value, as you know. So, yesterday I was a little bit caught up, and I didn't do the weekly analysis, but I'm just going to do it today on Monday, being an Easter. So, I'll give you an overall overview of GBPUSD on what to expect this week, okay? And also we'll go over the Forex Factory calendar, where we'll look at the days that will be having the most impactful news, the ones that, okay, on looking at the news, you actually mainly focus on the news that have this red, they have the red colors. Those are the high impact news. Those are actually the news that will actually show these great big movements on the chart. So we'll only focus on the red news, and literally today I saw on, let me just open the calendar, the Forex Factory calendar. Okay, so actually we have on Monday, today is on Monday though, we're looking at 5 p.m. we have USD ISM manufacturing PMI, and it has a red a red color on it. So last week Friday it closed as bullish on the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame, right? So today being a Monday, I just saw the low being taken out, and that, I guess, it's just a manipulation waiting for this 5 p.m. news, and that's why we're not getting into any trade until 5 p.m. Or if the market realigns itself to in accordance to our strategy before 5 p.m., we'll be in, but not during that 5 p.m. like 4:59 or 4:58. So we'll be in the trade if it's around 4 or something, or 3, whatever the time is. That's the perfect time to enter. And if we don't find any setup, then we'll just wait for the news to occur. Then we'll take a trade after the news, because that news obviously will be reaching towards a certain type of liquidity in a certain place. So that's what we're going to expect at 5 p.m. and I'll show you the trade that I'll take at that 5 p.m. and if I want, I'll also update you. So by the end of this video, you will have seen what happened before the news and after the news. So I'll post this video around 7 p.m. in the evening, so that I can just include all of these stuff that I've done during the day, so that you don't miss any piece of the puzzle. So we look at Tuesday. For the ones trading euro, you have a red news. Actually, we only focus on GBPUSD, and that's why I'm focusing on the USD news and the GBP news. Those are the only main focus that you look at. And those who are beginners, you can just go to the calendar, forexfactory.com, and that's the platform that you'll always have these news. You'll always have to know these news before they happen. Okay, so looking at Tuesday, we have USD JOLTS job openings, and that will be at 5 p.m. also. So today 5 p.m. we have ICM manufacturing PMI, and also at Tuesday the same time at 5 p.m. we have JOLTS job openings, followed by a factory orders monthly of which the USD JOLTS job openings, that's what we'll be focusing on, really, not the rest, because they have at 11:30 GBP final manufacturing PMI, M4 money supply mortgage approvals, and net lending to individuals Those have yellow colors, so they won't be high impact news, but they can affect the market, but not as much as we think. So we go on Wednesday. I can see like 2 newses, 3 actually. Actually, I've noticed that these Wednesday have this most of the news they come on Wednesdays. So we have at 3:15 p.m. we have ADP non-farm employment change. At 5 p.m. we have ICM services PMI. At 7:10 p.m. we have Fed Chair Powell speaks. Damn, and that 7:10 p.m. is what I'll be waiting for, because most of the time that this Fed Chair Powell speaks, there's always a fucking big movement in the market. And the fact that it will be during our session, we love trading the New York session, because mostly of the London sessions is complete manipulation, because those are the early participants of the markets. Though London session is also correct, I also trade London session sometimes, but I actually do prefer New York session because of the liquidity and the movements. The movements are so fast. So going into Thursday. Thursday we have no news till 3:30, unemployment claims, but I don't think that unemployment claims will affect the market that much, because on Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday, I think the price will have completed its objective. So on Thursday we just trade towards the objective of the price. If it's a reversal of the weekly, we'll jump on it. If it's the continuation of the weekly, we'll jump on it. Okay, on Friday, on Friday we also have 3 red news. USD at 3:30, average hourly earnings. At 3:30 also non-farm employment change, and at 3:30 also we have unemployment rates. So sounds like this week every fucking day we have a great impact. So I would actually advise our members in the community to be very careful when trading this week, not to lose your money, because know when you're entering the market and know when you're exiting. When I'm in a trade and my TP is like 5 pips away and I can see like the news is coming, I'll just literally take the profits that I have and not wait for the news, because what's the point of having a slippage and you're already in profits, right? Just be contented with what you've taken, right? And that's what I'm advising most of our members to do. Be grateful for what you have. Be grateful for the small profits you have. If you're risking $10 to get $30, if you have $30 or $25, get it out of the market, bro. Because in Kenya, there's a lot of money, bro. 25 times 140, you have like 4K in 4. If you can make 5,000 shillings in 1 hour or something, be grateful for it. Alright? Just take the profits and call it a day off. Okay. I'll go into the charts. So just hold on, then I'll tell you some about it.